Let me show you how to create this sketch looking effect in Photoshop. Import your image, then from the toolbar, take quick selection tool, and from the option bar choose select subject. Now go to the layers panel, active background layer, then press Ctrl Command J to make a duplicate from our selected part into a new layer. Now we have to remove the colors for our subject layer. Let me change its name to subject. Okay, make sure subject layer is activated, then press and hold Ctrl Command Shift U to make it black and white. Then from the menu bar, go to the filter, stylize, and choose find edges. Now we should replace black with white and white with black, so we have to invert our layer. So get back to the layers panel, active subject layer, then press and hold Ctrl Command I to invert it. Then I'm gonna move it right here, and after that we need to hide these black parts from the layer. So get back to the layers panel, then change its blending mode from normal to screen. Now for the next step, let's make the white parts a bit stronger. So press and hold Ctrl Command L to open levels, then choose the shadow point and move it to the right side a little bit, like around 10 to 15, and take highlight points and move it to the left side a little bit like this and press OK. Now from the menu bar, go to the filter, camera filter, then from the detail tab, increase sharpening like around 30, and also increase texture like this, and after that press OK. And that's it. If you're new to Photoshop, make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and peace out.